Today we are going to look at setting up a trial class or bring a friend day. First of all, head to settings and go to your customer options. We now have a field in here where you can manage your custom sign-up fields. And this gives you an opportunity for anyone registering interest or signing up to your gym to put in some information and choose whether it's mandatory for the customer to fill out or not. Let's look at a new field. You're going to name that. You have a type to choose from. The checkbox allows customers to choose more than one option. The drop-down, you select the options and they choose one. Radio button is the little round button. They can only choose one option, and free text allows them to write in. For the customers on CRM, you will also see an applicable to. You can choose customers, leads, or customers and leads. Let's look at what I've created in mine. I've done a how did you hear about us? I've created a drop-down for this so I can put all of my advertising campaigns in this and include an other. I've had it applicable to all customers, but I'm going to put customers and leads and save. Who recommended you today? This is a great one to follow up if you have any incentives for your customers if they bring a friend and they purchase a membership. I've kept that as free text, and field, I'm going to take that off. This is going to be applicable to customers and leads, and save. Next, you'll want to make sure your classes allow trials for them to book into. Head to your timetable, and let's look into next week. We'll go to our functional fitness class, and we'll edit. You're going to click Allow Trials and save. You would then continue doing that for the classes that you would like to allow the trial for that day. Some gyms prefer to have a class set as Bring a Friend. To do that, head into Classes and create a new class type. I've created one down here. Let's have a look. I've marked it as 0. It is public and 2 weeks so they can book in. The class is programmed. You can write a brief description in here. Hit your color and save. Next, you'll need to get a trial link out to your customers or prospective leads. Go to settings for this and links and codes. Click on the drop-down and find your trials links. If you are using the CRM, we recommend you go in through the leads, and I'll go through that in a moment. We're going to hit the you can go classes all or specific classes, and this is where you could do your Bring a Friend class. You're going to copy this, and then you now have a link to send out. To send links out to your customers, communications, announcements, or broadcasts work really well for this. You also could go into your dashboard and create a community post. Bring a Friend Day next week. Here's the link to sign up and post. And they can then click through and send that to their friend. For customers on CRM, your link sits in your leads. Click on leads, go into your forms, and you will see your trial Bring a Friend just here. View your link, copy, paste, and go ahead and send that. If you don't have this active, create a new form, click Book a Trial. You're going to name it, how many trial sessions, what fields are required. And then at the bottom, you will also see your custom sign-up fields. I'm going to click both for mine. You can allocate this to a staff member if you have someone on your team that looks after these, and then you're going to click Save. You can then do reporting on your Bring a Friend Day or your trials. Go into Reports, and you're going to go down to Bookings and your trials. You can now choose class types and select your dates, or you can do all. You can export this into an Excel spreadsheet for a better look at the details of the customers that have booked in.